Hey Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 48, and we're diving into natural language processing, or NLP. In this first part, we'll cover the basics of working with text data, tokenization, stemming, and even build a simple text classification model. Let's get started. Before we dive into NLP techniques, let's understand the basics of working with text data. Text data is unstructured and requires special pre-processing steps to be used in machine learning models. Let's start by loading some sample text data using Python. Now that we have our text data, let's move on to tokenization and stemming. Tokenization is the process of breaking down text into individual words or tokens. Stemming reduces words to their base or root form. These steps are crucial in preparing text data for analysis. Let's implement tokenization and stemming using the Natural Language Toolkit (NLTK). Tokenization and stemming are done. Now, let's use this pre-processed text data to create a simple text classification model. Now, we'll create a simple text classification model using the pre-processed text data. We'll use the CountVectorizer to convert text to a numerical format and MultinomialNB for our classification model. Here's how we can build and train our model. And there you have it! We've successfully built a simple text classification model with 100% accuracy on our small dataset. Remember, this is just a starting point, and there's so much more to explore in NLP. That's a wrap for day 48 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we covered the basics of working with text data, tokenization, stemming, and built a simple text classification model. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 49. Keep coding and happy learning.